Well, dear friends, in today's class, let us discuss about the importance of sociology. Why we study the sociology? What are the importance of the sociology? Sociology is one of the youngest social science, and it have its own matter to study about the society, and it have the interrelationship with the other social science also. Let us discuss about that. This youngest social science of sociology, what are the importance of the sociology? Sociology is the study of human society scientifically. Here the first importance is sociology, it studies the human society scientifically. Here the sociology is a study body of knowledge of human society. That is, it is studied scientifically, systematically. What it is studied systematically? Body of knowledge of society, human society is called the sociology. It is studied the systematically, scientifically. It is study about the human society, and it is the helpful for them holistic growth of the other field of the society also. It is helpful for the study of the other field of the society also. Okay, it is the study of body of knowledge of what it is human society. It is the systematically, it is study about the body of knowledge of human society. It is study the systematically society. So it is the scientific study. So through that we can understand the all social fields like the institutions, religions, and afterwards the social process, growth, all things we can understand by this systematic study. This is very necessary for the human being because we are living in the society only. Then next is the supplements the personality development. It is supplements. It leads the what is personality development. Human being is a social being. Already we know that there is no human being without society. There is no society without a human being. Human being or society are the unique feature. These two, society and human being, are the two faces for a single coin, is it? So here, man live in the society and he accept the all things. In the sense, he accept the all changes which is took place in the society also. Afterwards, he understand the social growth, social structure and the social various institutions. Afterwards, he understand the what it is interrelationship of the social institutions also. Okay, what is a human being is a social being. He understand what is the social structure, social growth and social institution and social process. Afterwards, he understand the society. Okay, afterwards what he do? He is accept the all changes of the society also. Through that he makes his own personality development, how to live in the society, how to behave in the society. He learn about this when he accept the change, when he understand the process and structure and growth of the society. Okay, it goes for the individual development. Okay, it is the promotes or supplements the personality development. Then next is understanding social process. Here in the society, a human being is understand the social process, is it? So he adjusts for the society. Afterwards he accept the social process by what is religion, morals, values. Afterwards the social rules and regulations, by social institutions. He understand all these things by the social process. What it is here? He understand the social process by the religion, morals, values, ideals. Is it a social rules and regulations? He accept that and he understand these things. Afterwards he understand the what is a social institution, interrelationship between the social institution. He understand about this also. So what is understanding the social process. Then next is the aid in the understanding of social problems and their solution. When we understand, when we study the sociology, afterwards we understand the social problems. Every society have its own social problem. Similarly, our society also has many more problems. Likewise, the crimes, juvenile crimes. Afterwards, the prostitution. Then afterwards, poverty, hunger, inequality, discrimination, caste system, is it? Then many more social problems we are all facing, is it? And woman exploitation, child labor, is it? So likewise we have the more social problem in our society. When we study the sociology, afterwards we can understand what are the problems we have in the society and how these problems are harmful to us and how we can get solution for these problems. Okay, when we study about our society, afterwards only we understand what are the problems in our society and what are the find the remedies for these problems. Okay, we find the solution for the problems. Then next, sociology support the effective implementation of the development programs. Is it? Yes, it is this type of the implementation of the development program. It is only by the study of sociology. Is it? When we understand the problem, afterwards only we are all seeking for what it is. Eradication of this problem or solvation of this problem, is it? So when we understand this problem scientifically, afterwards we are searching, we are seeking for the development. What is a good development? What is effective implementation of the development problem? What are the problems, what are the programs are necessary to eradicate the juvenile crimes? Is it Bala Parada? The juvenile crimes means Bala Parada. Yes, afterwards prostitution, is it? Then afterwards child labor, poverty, likewise many more, unemployment, many more social problems we have. No, when we understand the sociology, when we study the sociology, afterwards only we it is possible to implement the eradication of these problem. Afterwards we implement the development program or the development of the human being and human society also. So these are all the importance of sociology. Yes, let us discuss about that the relationship between the sociology and other social sciences. Yes, sociology is one of the youngest social science. It has a relationship with the, other social science. First one is relationship between the sociology and political science. Yes, sociology have the great relationship between them. This political science. Political science is a study of political activity of the human being, is it? And it studies the political institution and political life of a human being. Similarly, here we can see that the sociology is a study of social institution, afterwards the human life in the political structure. Okay, that is, it is studied the social institution and social group, afterwards the life of the human being in the political structure. This is about the interrelationship between the sociology and political science. Then next is the relationship between the sociology and history. Yes, the relationship between the history and sociology is the interrelated, is it? History is the recreation of life of past, is it? It is a recreation of life of past. But here sociology is the recreation of life of society, present contemporary society, is it? But it is history is the study of past and it is the recreation of life of past. But here sociology is the recreation of contemporary society, in a sense the present society. Yes, here always sociology provides the knowledge for the historians about the scientific study of social institutions, rules, functions of the society. Understand what is? So history and sociology have the interrelation, but here sociology is to provide the knowledge to the historians about the social institution, scientific study of the social institution, its life, rules, and also the function of the society. Okay, then next one is the study of sociology and anthropology. Sociology we know that already, but what is the anthropology? Anthropology is the study of human being. What is? It is the study of human being. But we can see the wide relationship between the sociology and anthropology. Anthropology is the study of human being, Manava Shastra. But here sociology is the study of human society. Okay, study of human society. Here we can see the interrelationship of the human society and human being, is it? So here it is study about the human behavior. Okay, human behavior, human institution, human behavior we can see in the sociology. Okay, it have the wide relationship. Then sociology and psychology. Yes, sociology means what? It is the study of human society. Is it? Psychology, it is study of the behavior aspect of the human being. What it is? Psychology means manashastra. Manashastra means what it is? It is the study of behavioral aspect of the human being. Is it? What it is? It's study about the human behavior. Is called the psychology. Yes, here also psychology and sociology have the interrelation. The psychology is the study about the human behavior, but here the sociology is the study of the social behavior. It is the social behavior, social group, social function we can see here. Then finally the sociology and economics. Sociology and economics has the interrelation we can see here. Economics is the study of economic activity of the human being. Is it? The sociology is the study of a human being. Is it a human society? Sociology is study of the human society. We can see here sociology is the studies the human activities in the economic structure. What it is? It is the study of the human activities in the economical structure. It means what? Sociology is the studies the human economical activities of the human being in the society. What it is? Here the sociology studies the economic activity of the human being in the society. So we can see such a good relationship and interrelationship between the sociology and other social sciences like the political science, history, anthropology and psychology and economics. Yes, here the sociology is the youngest social science. It have its own subject matter, but is the study of the human society. So it have the good interaction and interrelation with the other social science like political science, history, anthropology, psychology and economics. Okay, this is all about the relationship between the sociology and other social science.